I'm Susan. Today I'm going to do a journal flip through. This one started out being one for the October Dear Julie Julie, but I got sick and I had a hard time getting my mojo back. So this isn't really everything that she had on her requirements, but I did finish the journal. And so I'm just doing a flip through. In fact, it turned out to be one of my favorites. It's done kind of in this color palette. I took different upholstery type fabrics. I have some books, sample books, and I just cut them apart and just sewed around the little squares with batting over, I believe it was a biscuit box or something like that. I can't remember which box. I added a button, some splashes, sticker, and when I put my seam binding on, you could see the glue, so I just went over it in the front and back with some of that ribbon I love from Dollar Tree. And this is an old antique button. And on the inside, I just used paper. I made a pocket with one of the some of the upholstery fabric, and I've got different tags and cards that I've made. Some I made for this journal, and some I've had made for a while. Now the papers came from Julie, Dear Julie, and or Dear Julie Julie, I'm sorry. And but they're so pretty, and I just added a little safety pin with a couple of beads there. This was one of her requirements that I had done, and it was like an envelope flip. So I just used the window and added that in. I've got a pocket here, and I just tucked in some things. And I did just a little cluster there, and it's a little envelope tucked in there, and a little tag. Oops, there we go. We got a little secret journaling spot here. There's lots of writing space in this journal. And I just used some of the fabric that I had used for the center where I put in my signatures. If I can get this back on. These little tiny paper clips are so cute. But I have to, my eyesight's not the best to see what I'm doing. There we go. But I tucked in, see, I've got this envelope. It's also has a pocket with something tucked in there, if I can get it out. A little card. And I just put a piece of paper in there that you can write on. And it's a double tuck, so I've got this down here, and then I've got this postcard journaling card there. I have got this pocket, and this was some ephemera I made. I think it was a mass make. I don't know if it was Tina or from Shabby Dabby Doodah or what, but it's a little paper pad. I've had this for a while. And so I made that tag. And I've got this. And this also was one that flipped up. It's like using your 12 by 12 scrapbook paper and flipping it up to make your pockets. And this is just a piece of paper that I had, and I love that. This picture came from Louisa Heinzel, and it's one with all the children, and it's beautiful. Here's part of an envelope, and I just put some die cuts there for my Tim Holtz, and I've got just some different stuff tucked in. such. Same here. This was a pocket I had made a long time ago. And I just made some tags. Some I decorated, some look fine the way they were. Just what went with the kit. I've got stenciled yellow paper. This is from Rachel at Roxy's Creation. It's a mass make where you use book page and do around the page pocket. And I just decorated some of these things. Tucked in some little tags I have. Oops. That. Used graph paper or ledger paper. And we've got another pocket. And that's the negative from one of the die cuts that I did. Just decorated up the pocket. Like I said, there's lots of writing space. A place to decorate. This is just a decorated page. This is the other half of that envelope, and I just tucked in a card there, made that into a pocket. And this is a tag I made from Amy at Crafty Cat, the 50 Stack Challenge. Some more writing space. And I need to put something there. I knew I had another. There we go. And some more tags that I made, sewed around. Some I didn't, are so pretty on their own, I didn't have to do anything with it. That was a, I believe it was a Dear Julie printable, and I just did a washi sticker over the top. So you kind of see through it. That's the other half of the page that was folded up, the 12 by 12 scrapbook page. And this was one of the prompts where you use clear packaging, so I used one of these long ones and put a bookmark in it. And just put a little washi on the bottom and a little tag. And we've got that one. I love these little kids. Stenciled green paper. Writing space. This is some of my coffee dyed. We've got this little envelope, which was one of our requirements that on this that I had done. And I just tucked in some more writing paper. Just used brads and doubled up some punch outs, and also a pocket with a journaling card. And got another little boy in this paper bag, and I just tucked in a card that I decorated. And decorated that side of the bag. And here's the other half of the bag and the other card I decorated. I didn't make a pocket out of that side of the lady. I decorated that, and it's got a little tuck spot. Another pocket I've made for a while back, and I decorated a tag and a journal and card that I've had. Finished it up. I like how the button just tucks into that thumb hole. And another pocket I've had made forever, and another from the 50 Stack Challenge. Guest check. And some more. Splattered it with gold ink and black ink, and I've used this washi tape. I love this washi tape, and I've used it throughout. Got some laces on some of the pages. Another little tuck spot. Another flip out, and it's got another card that I've made. And it goes around the page and makes a pocket on this side. Oh, that got bent. So cute. There she is. And another pocket I made, I put on this side. And tags I made. Just put that up there for decoration. And it's 3 signatures. Another little beaded charm. I have this one also. And this was also a requirement where you do like a corner folded up, double-sided. It turned out real cute. Got another 50 stack challenge tag and another tag I made. Just decorated that. And then you've got this side, and it's got a double tuck, and this is just some journaling space. Journal on the back. This is just decorative, and then I've got writing space, and here's another page that was decorated with one of those little kids. And this was an envelope, and it's covered with napkin. And you can see the cute little kids through there. And we've got some tags and cards that I made. These were so pretty, I didn't have to do much to those. And that's decoration, that's glued down. Some more stencil. Another little pocket with a bookmark. Oh, and in the middle signature, I've got these beads. I don't know if you can see those. The little charms hanging down. Another 50 stack challenge tag. Some more tags. Another one of those wraparound pockets. I love using the die cuts, and I just do a Stabilo awl or a pin around it to make them pop. That's got some of the die cuts on it. And then we've got the other half of that envelope, and this is another, I think, from Dear Julie, and I added the washi sticker on top. I put that down, and got the little boy on this side, and it's also got the napkin on that side. Another little pocket, a little card. I love the color of it, and I love the, I think it's a Mrs. Cox Crafts. I love her digitals. Just one of my favorites. And then another little tag. And the other side of this pocket, it's a double tuck also, and it's got a washi sticker over that. And that's from a children's book. It was just left over, but the colors were so pretty and the design was so pretty, I just used it as background for my tag. And then I've got little things tucked in there, another washi sticker, little design. I think that was one of her Dear Julie pocket. And here's another guest check. Another little safety pin with little beads. And this is the last page, and another pocket with that material and just some things stuffed in there. I love how they turned out. And this is probably my favorite journal so far that I've made, and I love it. I love the colors, and It's my style. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through. I hope you liked my journal. Please give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this, and please hit that like button. Well, that's the thumbs up, isn't it? Please subscribe if you haven't. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, and I need all the support I can get from my channel, and I appreciate all my subscribers. Y'all mean so much to me. I just can't. I'm not very good at expressing myself, but I do care so much about y'all. You know, it just, y'all warm my heart. And y'all have a great and wonderful weekend. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.